So we are resuming now. We continue from where we stopped after the small break we had. Before the break we are applying we are on CAD JPY, isn't it? And then we apply the random walk index. Okay, ultimate oscillator. We have ultimate oscillator. And we have made study to find out some signals available. And we have seen fake signals. We have seen a genuine signal. So we say it is capable of filtering fake from genuine. Any question on the ultimate oscillator before we move to the next two? Which is only 1 to 19 we have left. Any question? Okay. So let's get USD JPY. USD JPY. So we are using the next tool. Let me see how many tools have we taken. We have actually, out of the 5 tools, we have taken a room, we have taken ultimate oscillator, we have taken RSI. Have we taken random walk index?
Yes.
Okay. Remain swing index. Swing index. So let's apply swing index. Let's apply swing index. So are we there? Okay. So the swing index, our result is black. We choose black for our result. So you leave everything at default and you apply. So let's apply swing index. This is swing index, and swing index move around the 0 line. The 0 line is the average line. Remember, as soon as it crossed the 0 line, you are having a buy signal. And as soon as it crossed down below 0 line, you are having a sell. So you keep on moving along, 0 up, 0 down. That is the movement of the swing index. Currently, what do we have on USD JPY? Look at the value of the swing index, minus 59. Minus 59, is it above 0 or below 0? It's below 0. So you're having which signal? Sell. The shortcoming of swing index, it doesn't filter out fake signal from genuine. It will just tell you there is sell. Whether it is fake, whether it's genuine, it will tell you there is sell. And it will be genuine or fake. So when using this tool, you must make sure you use another tool to filter out the fake from the genuine. When do we have a buy signal? The closest buy signal, when you go back, when do you have it? Give me the dates. When do you have the immediate buy signal before the sell signal we have now? When do you have it? 20th October. Good. That was when you have it above 0, isn't it? What is the value then? 18. So it was on the 20th of October that a buy signal came, And then when do you have the sell? When does it become a sell signal? Is it 1 day after? 1 day after the 20? Is it 21st?
Yes.
It's on the 21st. So it's just 1 day. But we don't know whether that sell signal is genuine. But it's the time the swing index starts showing us a sell signal. Are we clear? It's a straightforward tool, just like moving average, the swing index. But normally, from the name swing, it always goes with a long time. Long-time traders are those traders that will enjoy the swing index better than anyone. So I think these are the tools we have taken in our last class, and we said this class we are going to do some practical. And we have actually done some practicals on them. Which they are a room, the RSI, the random walk index, the alternate oscillator, and the swing index. Altogether, we have about 14 tools at our disposal now. About 14. So I don't know whether there is any question on the tools. Mamana, welcome. Hello, Mamana. Okay, she's not close by. So, in the absence of anything, we go to the material for today, which is material number 4, live trade or live trading guides. Let's open that material and share it. Okay, this is the next material we are going into, which is the live trading, a general guide. Live trading, a general guide. We have the Forex account. As you know, there are two types. There is the one we call it demo. In some places, it's called Baichua. Like in eToro, we call it Baichua. But in our trade, we call it demo. And then we have an account that is called real. What differentiates the two?
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Wa alaikum assalam warahmatullah. Santraki.
Sorry for taking us back a little.
Now.
Sir, you said in the swing index.
Yes, I'm hearing you, Santraki. Assalamu alaikum, Santraki.
Yeah, wa alaikum salam warahmatullah.
Yeah, well, I'm hearing you.
Yes. Okay, sorry, I lost the document. I'm trying to open it.
Okay.
In the swing index.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Just a moment, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. You said in the swing index, that's in the PPT, you said when the swing index crosses over 0.
Yes. You have a buy signal.
Then a trader might expect short-term price movement upward.
Yes.
Okay, when the swing index crosses below 0,
Yes.
then a trader may expect short-term price movement downward.
Yes.
Actually, I didn't understand what that
Okay.
statement means.
The swing index moves along 0, going either up or going below. So as soon as the swing index go up, so the price will start rising, and it may not last very long because the swing index is moving very fast. It's very sensitive. Then as soon as the swing index come below 0, cross 0 going down, then price of the item will start falling down, and trader will expect prices falling down over a short period of time. And normally when prices are going up, we say we are having a bullish position. And when prices are going down, we say we are having a bearish. And normally the first time of bullish market appearance, and when there is assurance the market will stay over a time, then you have a buy signal. So what we are saying is when the swing index cross 0, you have a buy signal. And then as you have the buy signal, prices will be going up over a short period of time. And then when the swing index crossed below 0, that is a sell signal. And what will come after is prices will start falling down, but over a short period of time. Meaning the periodicity of swing index is very short. Not like Fibonacci that is having a very long period of time for its own validity. Swing index validity will elapse quickly. Are we together, something like that?
Yes, sir. Yes, very clear.
Okay, Tom. Mamana?
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome. Mamana?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You
Thank
say
you,
you
sir.
couldn't download our material.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
I don't know how to download it, sir.
So what you will do, on top you will see gallery. Can you see gallery?
Okay.
You click on gallery
Let me.
on the Skype.
Okay.
Can you see gallery on your screen?
Yeah.
It is on the top.
Searching.
It's on the top, where you see Forex trade fundamentals. Below it, there is gallery.
Okay.
Can you see gallery?
No.
Can you see Forex trade fundamentals on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Below it, what do you
Yes,
have below
sir.
it?
The share screen.
Okay, that's all you have. Okay, can you see chart? On your screen, can you see
Yes.
chart? Click on chart.
Yes.
So as you click
I've
on chart,
entered.
you scroll up. You hold the slider and keep on going up. As I'm going up now, have you even seen it? Are you seeing it?
Sir, there is not chat. It's only +3. +3 showing me number of people that are connected.
You can't see chart on your screen?
No, sir.
Can you see what I'm doing now? Can you see what I bring out?
No. No, I'm only seeing the FX account. Yes.
Okay. Beside that screen, on the bottom, what do you have on your bottom? Apart from the FS account, on the bottom there are some icons. What do you have? Hello, Mamana?
Sir, audio, video, then cancel call.
After it?
Then 3 dots like this. If you enter it, allow incoming video, turn subtitles, invite people.
That is all?
Yes.
Okay.
Start recording, take snapshot.
Okay. Okay.
Then share screen.
Okay, share screen. Then what?
Then, yes, share screen. Then raise hands. Raise hand.
After it?
That's all.
That's all?
Nothing more. Yes.
How do you use to type text to me?
If I want to type, I will enter Forex trade.
Click on it, enter that place as you want to type text to me.
I've entered.
Now, do you have a scroller that you can go up?
Yes.
Hold the scroller and go up.
Okay. I'm going up.
Going up.
Join Skype.
Just.
I saw a link. Join.
That's the first thing you
Skype.com.
see? Is it the first thing you see?
Yes.
Then come down. Come below it. Come below. Join Skype.
Invite.
Come below it again.
It's like a short video.
Come below that one.
It's just a writing from you that we are waiting for YouTube live stream to come up.
Okay, you couldn't see any material to download?
Yes.
Okay.
No, sir, she should
Okay, I'm coming.
continue scrolling down. She should continue scrolling until she reaches the...
Okay, some Turaki say you should continue scrolling down, you see it.
It's up there.
Okay, I should continue scrolling up.
Continue scrolling until you read the material. So there are a lot of conversations that were shared.
Please, can you tell me any conversation close to the material? Maybe before it, after it.
Okay. I'm scrolling and when I reach there I will tell you.
Okay.
Because a lot of things were shared. Okay, there is eToro. When we open this eToro account, he shared some eToro. Have you read there?
Yes, video, right?
Yes, there is a material, FX market. Is it market or what? Above it. Have you haven't reached?
I'm still scrolling.
eToro, the world's leading social trading. It is not a video.
I did not see it.
No, you just scroll.
Okay. I'm already on
Just
16th October chat. 16th October chat.
October.
Okay, you're on 16th.
But if there is any...
Okay, go to 2nd. No, 2nd October. Go to 2nd October.
Okay.
2nd October.
Okay. I am there.
Have you read there?
Yes, 2nd October.
There is FX markets. It's a PDF.
Okay, I've seen eToro, the world leading social trade.
That okay, above it, immediately above it.
Okay, FX market PDF. PDF.
So there are the materials. Those, if you scroll above again, there are the other materials are there.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, we continue as you are downloading the material. We say the differences between the two accounts. the demo and the virtual. The demo, the figures you have there do not translate into cash. Anything you have there, they are just figures. They do not become real money. And you trade without the need of having documents uploaded. For the live, you have to upload document to verify your address, document to verify your identity, and sometimes document to verify your tax income number. But in the demo, you don't need to put any document. You can just start your trading. And in the demo, you don't supply money into the account. You don't deposit money into the account. And you don't withdraw money from the account. And normally the demo is for practice or experimenting. And it's available in a web form and on a download form. These are the features of the demo account. Then the real account, the figures you have on the real account translate into cash. So any figure you see there is your money. If money goes out, it's your money that is going out. If money comes in, it's your money that is increasing. And before you operate the real, you must upload these, at least these 2 documents, at most the 3. And for you to start trading, you must put money into the account first. And whenever you have your profit and you want to remove, you can remove the profit out of the account. And then for real trading of cash, that is the purpose of the real account, not experimenting. And it can be available on web or on download. These are the differences between the 2 accounts in Forex. The next thing is choosing a broker. We are going to assist you to choose a broker that will be your life broker. A broker that you will now put your money and do trading immediately after graduating. Next week you will be graduating, so we started putting you through your life as a broker after next week. In choosing a broker, you have a criteria. The criteria are shown on the screen, which are 5. The first criteria is called best. In best criteria, you find out the best on a trader's rating. Normally, you zoom out and take the best 20 or the best 10. Bring them out of them you will narrow down to 1. So criteria 1 will now scan out of the traders, millions of them in the world, reduce them to 20 or to 10 for you. Then criteria 2 is called regulated. In criteria 2, you look at your country, like in our own case, Nigeria. You now look at, out of these 10 or 20 brokers that you have in criteria 1, how many of them are regulated in Nigeria? You choose a broker that is not regulated in your country. There is no way you can send money to your account with that broker, and there is no way you can withdraw your money, because the regulatory bank will forbid other banks from allowing money going to that broker or coming from that broker. So if you choose a broker that is not regulated by your country, you cannot withdraw your money, you cannot deposit money. Then after you have done that, you will see that the list will reduce. From that 20, it will reduce to a number less than 20. Then you move to the 3rd criteria, which is called platform. In the 3rd criteria, you now study the platform offered by these brokers you obtain from criteria 2. And you find out which one is similar to the one you are trying on. Which one will not give you headache to operate it. So you now reduce your list again. It will now reduce to a smaller number. From that smaller number, you now move to criteria number 4, which is called deposit. In deposit, you look at the amount, the minimum amount to deposit in those brokers you obtain from criteria 3. Then look at the one with the minimum deposit that you can afford. Because if the broker is having a minimum deposit that is not affordable by you, it's not advisable for you to go for that broker. So at the end of the day, the list you get from your criteria 4, out of them you can pick any one and choose as your live broker. These are the criteria of choosing a broker. And we have already done that for you in our company here at Gwani Software. We have done the first criteria for you, the second one, the third one, and possibly the 4th one. What is left for you is just to choose out of what we have screened it out for you. So if eToro is regulated in your country, recommendation from our company is choose eToro for your live trade. Why? Because it is there you are trained. It is there you are familiar. So if they are regulated by your country, fine, go ahead. Choose them. And then you upload your documents, you fund your account with a minimum deposit of $200. For eToro, 200 is the minimum. And you start trade, or you start copying a trader. Straight ahead. But for countries like Nigeria and USA, eToro is not regulated. So for those countries, we are recommending one of these three. Either FXTM, the Forex time, which is number 5, or the Abat rate, which is now number 1, or the Pepperstone, which is number 3. So we are recommending you to choose any of these three. So I think all the trainees in today's class, they are from Nigeria. So you are now going to choose out of these, either FXTM, Abat trade, or Pepperstone. Which one are you going to choose for your live trading? And we are going to now screenshot to you the features of these three, so that at the end of the day, you are going to choose which one you want to actually commit. These are some lists of some brokers with their own strength. Plus 500 is best for beginners in everything. It's friendly and good for beginners. But unfortunately, it's not regulated in Nigeria. IG, it has excellent educational material that you can now read and understand. And it's the most trusted because people that are trading in it say that it is trusted. Then we have eToro, which is having the best trading platform for copy trading. We have AbaTrade, which is having a lot of quality educational material to teach you on how to do things there. We have the CMC Markets, is the best web trading platform with excellent educational material. We have XTB, which is the best customer service and great educational material. We have Owanda, which is having quality research material and is a user-friendly platform. Choosing a broker. Now there is one thing I have to mention, and we must know this thing. It's a bitter truth, but the more you know about it, the better you'll be prepared for live trading. History had it that people who venture into live Forex trade, 95% of them lose their money. Only 5% make money out of Forex. So you should know that majority are losing. And it will take you a lot of things not to join the majority, to go with the 5. But I'm not saying there are no people that don't ever make loss. In the class here, we even have a live trader. Fatima never record a loss in a trading session. All our trading session, the profit should get overcome the loss. So we have one in the class here to give you an encouragement. But you need to do a lot for you to be among those. One of the factors to shift you to the 5% direction is a platform that is easy to operate and efficient for traders. About 25% tendency to lose money in real account is reduced with efficient, vibrant, and user-friendly platform. So platform is something that you cannot neglect. A stubborn and notorious horse can make you a loser in a battle. Even if you are a professional fighter, if your horse refuses to cooperate, you will lose the battle. And the same thing is a platform. Even if you are a professional trader, if the platform is not good for you, is not friendly for you, you will lose money. Now, because of the importance of platform, we need to study types of platforms we have. There are two types of platforms, the application type and the web-based type. The application type platform requires you to install on your computer or to install it on your smartphone. And it will connect to the trading server if there is internet connection. and then it stores trading session and variables on your computer or smartphones. And it requires regular update to keep it to become up to date. So most of the time you have to update that application. And it may store your offline processes, and when you are online, it will execute them. These are the features of the application type platform. The web-based type platform, no need of installation. You don't install anything on your system or on your smartphone. You only open a browser, type the address, and you are there. It connects to the trading server. You need URL to access it, and you can bookmark the URL so that the next time you come, you don't need to type. You just look for it from your bookmark. Normally, no update is required, but you need to update your browser. Sometimes your browser may not be cooperating if it is not the recent. So when you discover you are using a platform and you are having a slow activities or it's not going the way you like, update your browser. And there are normally two types of browsers that are known to be very compliant with much of the platforms. It is the Chrome and then the Firefox. Most are web responsive, meaning you can open them in your phone and you can open them on your laptop. Then next we are going to take a look at one of those platforms, which is the application type. The most common of the application type platform is called the MetaTrader. Right now we are having version 5 and 4. Version 5 is the latest, but people are glued because they are used to it. That is why version 4 refuses to disappear. It's still there. And it is the common water. What we mean is the common of all of them. The MetaTrader was not designed by a broker. It's another software company that designed it. Then brokers will come and hire it and give their clients. And then we have the customized platform, which is designed for only one broker. FXTM, AbaTrade, and Pepperstone all have Meta 4 and Meta 5. And now, Meta 5 also comes in a waveform that you don't need to install. You can open it directly. eToro make use of customized platform for Android phone known as the eToro platform. And AbaTrade uses a customized one called the AbaGo. MetaTrader is the pure water of this kind of platform, the application type. However, it's not easy and it's not user friendly with the exception of the waveform. The waveform is user friendly if you are using the waveform. Since many brokers use it, when you learn a MetaTrader, by the time you change a broker, you will not see any difference. Because the MetaTrader you are using in the previous broker is the one you will meet in the next broker you now change to. Broker inertia is the difficulty experienced when changing a broker. Inertia can cause unpredictable loss if not well managed. Then we move to it is time you choose your broker now. We are now going to take you through FXTM, AbaTrade, Pepperstone. At the end of this brainstorming, you must be ready to make your own choice. And you will tell us which broker do you choose, and we give you the URL so that you open account. In our afternoon session, we go into live session to see those brokers in preparing you for live trading. Now, at this stage, I want you to download an application known as the Limit Advisor. Some brokers, like in your eToro will calculate your take profit, will calculate your stop loss. If you go to Pepperstone, AbaTrade, and other brokers, they don't do the calculation for you. They require you to set your stop loss and your take profit. So, at Gwani Software, the programming team were able to design a software that will now allow you to calculate the Limit Advisor. The link is shown on your screen. If you already have the application, you can still check whether your application is outdated and you download a latest version. That is why this link is already in this material for you to always check whether there is a new update. So please, let's download the material. Click on the link to download the material. Those on YouTube, you can copy the link and type it on your browser, and then it will take you to where you can download the limit advisor. The limit advisor works on Windows platform, either Windows for smartphone or Windows on your laptop or tablet. Are we done downloading? Okay, so let's move to the next slide to see how to use the limit advisor. Now this is the screen of the limit advisor. By the time you download it and play it, normally the item you want to buy, you will now capture the price and type it on the text box where you see buy price in US dollar. So you are going to type the price in that particular text box. Then the quantity you are buying, the default quantity is mini lot, which is 10,000. That is 0.1 lot. But in case you are buying something higher or something lower, you will change the value here. The next thing here, you are going to choose the type of your limit. We have the GTC. You are going to learn about what is the GTC later on. We have the GTW. We have the EOD. The GTC is the default normally. So, and I'm recommending you to be using the GTC. So you will check on GTC. Then you will come down here. There is what we call the loss and profit ratio, or the loss and reward ratio. There is 1:1. There is 1:2, 1:3. So I recommend you to be choosing 1:2. Then when you type those items, you click on recommend. By clicking on recommend, it is going to tell you what are you going to use as your take profit and what are you going to use at your stop loss. Are we getting it? That's how to use the limit advisor. I don't know whether there is a question on how to use the limit advisor. Okay. If there is none, we go to the best broker, which is eToro, and we cannot use it for our live trading. I don't know whether we still need to take its own picture since we are not using it for our live trading. Maybe we take it because maybe they may have some people or somebody that may travel outside Nigeria and go to a country where eToro is regulated. So the platform eToro is using is web and an Android app. The minimum amount to deposit in your account is $200. The maximum amount to deposit is $40,000. The instruments available are all the 6: commodities, stocks, cryptocurrencies, indices, currency pairs, and ETFs. The trading type is social, not solitude. The minimum withdrawal amount is $30 you can withdraw. You can't withdraw less than 30. And then there is a withdrawal charge of $5. When we withdraw 30, you will see the allowed of 25. The currency used is US dollar and other currencies, and it's not regulated by CBN. The currency pairs available in eToro are 47. The CFDs are 2,314. Cryptocurrency are available. Social trading and copying is available. Total number of study tools 66. There is a charge called inactivity charge. When you are doing live trading and you allow your account to stay for 3 months without doing any trading, you will be charged money. Normally the charge is from $50 and below. So you allow you are having $100 in the account and you allow the account to stay dormant for 3 months. When you check your balance, you will see 50 is gone under inactivity charge. And there is what is called the overnight fees. If you apply for leverage and then you buy an item and stay without selling it for 24 hours, they will charge you overnight fees. So in eToro, there is an Android application available which is called the eToro. The headquarters is in United Kingdom. As you can see, this is where you now create your portfolio. When you are going to go live, you must create your portfolio with your information. Then this is where you can fund your account. You put when you choose a credit card, there are many methods, either PayPal or credit card. If you are choosing credit card, it will show you here which card are you using. You can see Visa, you can see MasterCard and other cards. But I recommend you to use Visa. Visa don't have issue with brokers. But MasterCard sometimes will decline your money going to a broker. And then you fill the details of the card and the amount and you click, then your account will be funded. And you are familiar with this screen. This is the screen of eToro. And this is precisely the watch list. You can see how the watch list is. You are already familiar with this one. Now we go to the second broker, the FXTM or the Forex time. FXTM, the platform used by FXTM is the MetaTrader. And then the minimum deposit is $10. It's lower than eToro. And the maximum deposit there is no. Then we have the instrument available. We have the currency pairs, the cryptocurrencies, the indices, commodities, and stocks. The trading type is solitude. By default, it's a solitude trading type. You cannot copy. If you want a copy, you have to request for another platform known as the FXTM Invest before you will now use copy. Minimum withdrawal amount is $3. And then the withdrawal charge is $3. So if you withdraw three is gone. 3 is gone as a charge. And then we have the currency. The currency used is the US dollar and other currency including Nigerian naira. Meaning you can use Nigerian naira to actually fund your account. FXTM is regulated by Central Bank of Nigeria and therefore you can operate it in Nigeria. The number of currency pairs available in FXTM are 48. The number of CFD are 213. And cryptocurrency is available. If you want a social or copying platform, you have to request. They will give you another platform known as the FXTM Indexed. Total study tools not available. And there is an Android application for FXTM. You can get it from Google Play Store. Inactivity fee is applicable in FXTM. Their headquarters is in Cyprus. Now you can see the screen where you can make your Forex average spread, some calculation on the spread. That's what you are seeing on the screen. Then okay, then we have the place where you can place order. You can see on that symbol, you will choose what are you buying. Like what this person is buying is Euro USD. You now come to volume. The volume is in lot. If you put 1.00, it means you are using one lot. If you put 0.1, it means you are using mini lot. And then you have to set your stop loss. This is the price set at the stop loss, and this is the price set at the take profit. Then you now choose the type. There are two types. There is the market execution time and there is the pending execution type for FSTM. So the market execution time will now look when the market is available, it will buy for you. The pending execution time, you will put a price until the item reaches that price before the broker will buy it for you. And you can see the sell price and you can see the buy price. The smaller number there is the PIP. That's the PIP. And it's a difference of how many PIPs? About 13, I think. The difference between the buy and the sell is 13 PIP. And as you set it, the arrow there is showing you where your take profit is, which is the blue line, and where your stop loss is, which is the red line. Are you getting it? Good. The next is we are still in FXTM. The next screen is showing you the screen where you can actually do your analysis. FXTM will allow you to share your screen into four, having 4 items, 4 separate items. You know, sometimes you may like to see more than one item and do analysis and compare. So FXTM screen will allow you to do that. That's why you can see 4 screens. That's the maximum numbers. Excuse me. While the minimum is 1. So you can see it's not similar to eToro because it's using MetaTrader. Good. Next screen. Then this is where you see the items, more or less like your watch list. That is your main page where you can access items, access the market, and so on and so on, if you decided to choose FXTM. The next is Trade, another broker. In Gwani here, this is the broker we are using. So if you want to become a higher trader in Gwani, you must be conversant with this particular broker. That's our broker for now. And he's the #1 broker in the world. The platform that is used by Trade are MetaTrader, the Web Trader, and the Auction. The minimum deposit is $100. And there is no maximum deposit, depend on account. The instrument you can see there are currency pairs, stocks, and indices. The trading type, it has a social trading platform that was linked to either Trade or the Zulu Trade. And the minimum withdrawal amount is $1. Withdrawal charge for Trade is $0. The same amount you withdraw, the same you will see in your alert. Currency used is US dollars and other currencies. And it was regulated by Central Bank of Nigeria, meaning you can operate it in Nigeria. Currency pairs available in Trade are 55. Number of CFDs are 722. And there are cryptocurrency available in Trade. It has a social trading platform known as Trade or Zulu Trade. Trade requires high capital. We are going to learn about them in our material number 5. It requires large capital, about thousands of dollars. But the Zulu trade require only $300. Total study tools in AvaTrade are 96. Android application is available, which is the AvaGo. And inactivity charge is fixed at $50 per quarter. And then at the end of the year, you have $100 per year. If you stay 1 year without trading, $200 will be removed from your account. Is it 200? 300. Abi? First quarter 50 will go. Second quarter 50 will go. Third quarter 50 will go. Fourth quarter 50 will go. Make him. And then at the end of the year, 100 will go for the year. That's 300. So it's not advisable for you to stay idle without trading. Like our own account here in the company, we never leave it to be idle. We always engage it with a higher trader. Then the headquarters is in Ireland. Now this is the main screen. AvaTrade has the main screen and the trading screen. The trading screen is where you can do trading. The main screen is where you can have your details as a trader. So this is the main screen where you can create your details, your profile, you can make withdrawal, you can deposit money, you can do a lot of things. But it's not the trading screen. So from the main screen, you can create account in Ava Option, you can create account in MetaTrader, and so on and so on. And each account, you have a separate login detail for the account. There used to be delay for the screen to appear to me. That's why sometimes I'll decide, yes, now it has come. Now this is the trading screen. And precisely this screen, I think, is Ava Option. You can see the list of items on your left-hand side. And you can see the current item on the screen. And you can see there was analysis going on. Some tools are applied. And you can see a slider to choose the quantity. And you can see limit where you can set your take profit and stop loss. And you can see your ledger on the bottom, where you can see items bought and items sold. The next screen you are seeing is where to calculate your next position. Just a software tool given to you to make some calculations. We'll come to that too. And the next screen is where you can make deposits. You can see on top there you will choose either to choose a card or you can do a wire transfer. But remember, wire transfer will take 9 days to reach you, your bank. And then the bank will charge you 23% of what you are sending. And then you can use PayPal. You can see PayPal there and other means. Where you are using card, you can put the card details, the card number, the expiry date, the CVV, and then you put the amount you are depositing and you click, and then money will be deducted. But make sure the account is domiciliary account, having US dollar, so that it can now move into your trading account. While in the trading account, anything you do will affect the money. Next. This is where to set your take profit and the stop loss. As you click on limit, you can see it expanding. You go to the green side and the red side, you double click. It will allow you to set your stop loss. You go to the green side and double click. It will allow you to set your take profit. And the screen will be showing you what is your take profit price and what is your stop loss price. After setting everything, you click on execute. If the market is open, it will place order for you. But if the market is not open, it will give you error message that the market is not open to execute your order. set stop loss by double clicking here, and then you use your price fall limit. GTC is the default. This is where to set your take profit. By double clicking here, you will type the take profit price, and then GTC is the default if you do not choose the type. Click execute to open position. Make sure you review the position before executing. About trade do not handle pending order, so make sure market is open before executing your order. Limit order. Take profit can be set to any of the following. The same thing with stop loss can be set to any of the following. There is what we call the GTC. GTC stands for good till cancel. When you set your SLOTP at GTC, it will continue to follow the order until the day you cancel it. Then there will be no take profit or stop loss. There is GTW, good till weekend. You set it on Monday, then by weekend it will now expire. The next week Monday you will not see it again. There is EOD, end of the day. You set it in the morning, then at the evening time when the market is closing, EOD will cease to be. So normally GTC is the default type, except you have your reason for choosing either GTW or EOD. But if you don't have any reason for that, leave it at GTC. Okay. The next broker is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is the next broker. And Pepperstone, the platform they use is MetaTrader and CTrader. The minimum deposit $0. You can even put $1. The maximum deposit none. The instrument you will need there is currency pay, there is indices, there is stocks, and there is crypto. Trading type is solitude until you make a request. Minimum withdrawal amount is $1. That's the minimum you can withdraw. Withdrawal charge is $0. Currency use is US dollar and other currencies, but no Nigerian naira, and it's regulated by CBN. The number of currency pairs available are 61. Number of CFDs 94, and cryptocurrencies available. Then social trading and copying until you request. When you request, they will give you the mirror trader or the double trades or the tradency. These are what you will use for copy. Study tools available are 51, with 31 of them for drawing tools. And there is Android application available for Pepperstone. The headquarters is in London. Is that all? Okay. You can see the screen. This is the trading screen of Pepperstone. You can see your item on the left hand side. You can see the screen of a particular item you are studying. The prices are shown there, the sell and the buy price. And then there are tools on top that you can use them. And then the price is shown on the right, as usual. Look at analysis screen, where a particular tool has been applied on the candlesticks. This is how it looks like in Pepperstone. Now this is for account registration in Pepperstone, where you can put your account details, create your account, complete your application, confirm your ID, and then fund your account and start trading. About 4 steps you need if at the end of the day you choose Pepperstone. And this is where you can fund your account. You can see the type. We have PayPal, we have the Visa card, the MasterCard, we have Skrill, we even have Wire Bank. And then you fill the details with the amount and you submit. Okay, we are done with the brokers. So at this stage, I want you to think for just 2 minutes on where are you going to commit yourself for live trading. And I'm going to put a question forward on the screen so that you answer it before you go for break. Before you go for break, now you think, I'm going to put a poll. And you are going to choose your broker. And our options, we have FXTM, we have Avatrade, and then we have Pepperstone. So there is a poll on the screen. You click on the broker you have chosen. Can you see the poll? Can we all see the poll? So choose your live broker. Yes, somebody has chosen Avatrade. Let's choose our live broker. Mamana, choose live broker. Soundtrack, you also make your choice. And those physical in the class here, make your choice. Before we go for break, let's know which broker are we going to have tutorial in our afternoon session. 2 people have chosen Avatrade. Two people have chosen Avatrade. They are still waiting for the remaining to make their choice. One person withdrew from Avatrade. Okay, he has come back again. So do we assume Avatrade is the choosing? So I'm going to put the link. Maybe during break time you try to open account. Or if you are having issue when we come back afternoon session, we help you to open account. The link is there, I'm typing it. Okay, sorry. I am going to send an invitation link to your emails. Type your email here so that I can send the invitation to you. Type your email here, then I send invitation to you. Type your email on the screen and I will send the invitation link that you follow to open account in Avatrade. Okay, I have seen one email. Okay, I've seen another one from Amana. Okay, I've seen that of Dairu. So let me send the link to us. Trying to send a mail. Okay, we can go for break, then you will see the mail. I will send the mail so that you follow the mail during the break time. And then when we come back, if there is issue, we attend to it. I'm sending the mail to all of us. So thank you very much.